Hello everyone. This is going to be a CA test, and when I tell you that my CAs have been hanging around for a year and a half, that is the truth. They've been hanging around since January 2024. I am finally doing a deep clean in my studio, and I found these, so I'm going to do a test to see if they work. So let's start with the first one. Sorry, actually, let's start for the first two. The first two that I'm using is TLP Constellation CA. And the other one is Golden Light Phthalo Blue. And as I said, I have had these since January. I've had them at least a year, let's say that. Okay, so I'm going to do these together because I love these colors together because they are survivor colors of domestic violence and sexual assault. So they are my colors. So let me pick out a few things that I'm going to use, and I'm going to do a blow. So I think for this, I'm going to use Amsterdam Greenish Blue that is mixed with a color that is a piggy. I can't tell you which it is. I wish I could, but I'm not sure. So it's, Wild Atlantic, sorry, mixed with Wild Atlantic. And I'm only going to use, and I'm also going to use Liquitex Magenta that's mixed with TLP Unicorn. And a Liquitex that's Brilliant Purple, and it is mixed with TLP Crescendo. So let's get started. PPG Multi-pro is going to be the base for this. Maybe a little bit more. Don't need much. Okay. So I'm going to start with this Liquitex Magenta and TLP Unicorn mix. Appears to be a little off center there. This isn't a very good level thing here. Okay, then I'm going to do the purple. Well, that is beautiful, by the way. That TLP Crescendo is something else. Okay, and the last color I'm going to use is the Greenish Blue that has the Wild Atlantic mixed in it, and it is also a gorgeous color. All right, I'm going to put the cell activators down. I kind of don't like that this isn't centered anymore, but I don't think that's okay. I'm just doing this as a test, so so I think it's okay where it is. Okay. I'm going to put the purple down first. Maybe. I'm going to put the Light Phthalo Blue on next. All right, and I think they thickened up, so that might not be a bad thing, actually. All right, here we go. I'm going to blow it. All right, I'm going to let that sit. It is thicker, as you can see. And I'm going to let that sit for a minute, kind of let it get back together, and then we're going to spin it. And all these actual paints, so the paints that I use, those 3, were mixed with, it was the Valspar Ultra. No, actually, no, it wasn't. It was the Sherwin-Williams Infinity. And it does have Josonja in it. Ooh, look at those. That's happening in there. It does have Josonja in it. But I did make them thicker, like Lisa Marvin recommended. Thank you, Lisa. And they do hold up a lot better. And she's right. It's because it's not thick enough pouring medium, which is the reason why they get all wonky. And I really appreciate her tutelage. Had a great time at the Deer Lake retreat. She is a pleasure. Stress-free. It was fantastic. I learned a ton. And I'm sure she's happy to hear that I am using the Josonja again. I won't use it all the time, but I am using it for this. Anyway, so I'm going to blow a little bit more in the center, and then we're going to spin it out. All right. I think I've done all the damage I can do there. Oops, my thing fell off the table. Off of this. You may hear an expletive. I didn't mean to say all that, but you know, when your table becomes unlevel, it becomes a problem. All right, here we go. There are some pretty cells in there. Very nice. Let me blow that middle, try to, a little bit more. Okay. Ooh, nice. I think I still need to spin off more, I believe. Let's see. We're getting there. It's not moving very much. All right, I think that's it. Let me double check it again. So you don't have to spin it anymore if it's not moving much in the middle. And it doesn't appear to be moving much, but I'm going to give it another college try here. Okay. I think we're going to leave it like that. I actually like that blue in the middle. So the cell activator you put down first stays in the middle, and the cell activator you put in last goes out to the petals. And that's exactly what happened here, because I put the purple first and then the blue. I'm going to leave it alone because I don't want to spin off all of it, but I really like how this turned out. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. Here are the dried results. Watch till the end. There's a video of the dried results as well. Again, thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Here is the dried result of that coaster that I did on the video. It's raining here, so you can't really see the shimmer, but the TLPs really did a good job in this. I wish I could show you better, but unfortunately I can't, and I want to put the video out today. So anyway, so this was the final result and the dried results. Thank you for watching.